Hi. So here is the Wistry board running Wi-Fi GSM both, but you can configure it like normally Wi-Fi and fall back to GSM kind of thing. So this board actually use ESP32 as main microcontroller. I'm using A6 Mini for GPRS connection, but you can also use SIM800L, so it fits both A6 Mini and 600L, and there is a one-to-one pin mapping here, so you can connect to any pin through these pins. Okay, and then I'm using a OLED just to see what is happening here. And also this board needs a 5-volt power supply. 1.5 to 2 amp current is good for it, so I'm using a buck so just to boost up this voltage from 3.7 to 5 volt. Okay, and now I am switching this on. Okay, so once you switch it on, the default run mode is Wi-Fi, so it enters into Wi-Fi. I am just simply reading the battery voltage in my analog pin. So the ADC reading is now 704, that you can see. So now this data is being sent. So this rapid blink of red LED means the data is sent. So these are all at your control. You can like a rapid blink, do other things. So like you may have the OLED, or you may not have if no one is there. So I'm just keeping it. So if you don't have the OLED, you can remove some jumper wires from here also. So now we are connected to GSM. So we are running GSM. So now run mode is GSM, and you can see after some time it will connect to the GSM, and this status will change to connected GSM. Okay, so now it is connected, and once it is connected, you can see the blink has gone rapid. That means it is sending the data. So what I'll do for next time, I'll remove the battery voltage from ADC pin. So next time it should read 0. So in a moment I will also show you the data coming to the portal. Okay, so this is just the operation. Okay, so once this is done, GSM data sent is done. Now the device will get into sleep mode. So this device can run in other two modes like config mode and OTA update mode. So I'll also show you them, but I will need to share my screen for that, because so after sleep it has wake up again and again started doing the same cycle. And you can see this time, because I removed the battery connection, the ADC read will be 0. Also I would like to talk about two modes. So when you switch this on, so this normally goes into normal run mode, which is Wi-Fi, then GSM, then sleep. So what you can do, you can get into config mode so that you can change your Wi-Fi SSID password, GSM GPRS APN for Vodafone, Airtel, etc. And also you can do OTA over the air updates. So to get into config mode, what you need to do, so this switch you can see here. So this switch is called mode switch. Okay, and this is the reset button actually. So if I just simply put it, the device resets, is start from beginning. Okay, so when you keep this pressed and then reset the device and leave it, okay, then the device goes into config mode. Okay, so the device goes into config mode. So in this config mode you can update your SSID password. I will show you how. And to get into OTA update mode, what you need to do is keep this pressed. Okay, the mode switch, press it once, release, and keep the mode switch pressed till 3 seconds, and it will get into OTA update mode. Okay, so that way you can get the device into 3 different modes. So now I have put the device in config mode. Okay, so in config mode, what happens, you can find in your Wi-Fi devices, you can find one called device. So this is all configurable, so you can code it yourself. So I'm now connecting to that device. Okay, so for the first time it will ask you for the password. The password is 12345678. okay, you can change it, so it's all in the code. So now to access the device, you need to type this 192.168.4.1 and press enter. So this page will be served to you. So you can see now we are using this TP-Link and Bapaditya, and current value is 000 for APN. Like I am using a Vodafone SIM, so if you are using a Airtel SIM, you need to use this airtelgprs.com, and you can submit. So like say I am changing this sleep time from 10 seconds to say 20 seconds. Okay, and I submit. So data will be saved in SPIF, so you can save in EEPROM, it is up to you. So you are free to code the device. So when you see this current value changing, that means this effect has already taken place. Okay, so this is how you can change these things, and you can also like add some more. Like you may update some MQTT to topic name, you can update different topic names, like for Wi-Fi and GSM, all can be done here. So now I have put the device in OTA mode. So how you know it is in OTA mode? Through the OLED, if you have that. Otherwise from the LED blink, 3 times blink means it is in OTA mode. So that too is our implementation, like that LED is actually connected to GPIO 12. So you are blinking the GPIO 12 thrice. So you can do something else, that's up to you. So once you put the device in OTA mode, you do the same thing, connect to device, same password, okay, and then you go to the same thing, but just add 192.168.4.1, that is the same, just add this update, okay. So once you place update, so now you can choose from choose any file, so you can have any binary and just select that binary and open, so it will flash the device. So this part is for those who are looking for a like front end. So here we can get the data anyway, but this is in a JSON kind of format and in a so if you want a good looking front end, you can use this. So last data is 674, let us see. So you can go to this IP address, okay, and here you can build your own dashboard. So you can use my credentials, because you will not be able to open new accounts here. This is the mail ID, password is 1234. So this is not a real mail ID, okay, don't mail here. So this is the dashboard, it is now empty. So you can go here and like connect to your device. This, let me, so I will call this device gateway. So I delete the gateway device and add a new device. So this device name is Wi-Fi-GSM and I will call it gateway, okay, and save it. So please be careful while spelling this, even capital, small letter, all need to be checked, okay. So device is added successfully. Then once your device is added, you go there, you select data type. I want to see live data from this device. This device is sending only one data, ADC, so I want to see that. So I save it. So you can see the live data will come here, ADC 620. So last data may be 620. Let me update this. So last data is 620, so that is what showing here. So I can also build some charts and graphs using this. So say after live data I want a chart also. So I am looking for say line chart, and in y-axis I want ADC. So I save it here, and so now a new pen will come up, and here I will get the line chart of it. So this is how it looks. So you can have a front end like this, okay, or you can build your own application calling this API.